Okay guys, this is a really quick audio test for the Ursa Mini 4K. I recorded them both with the Rode NTG3. And yeah, listen to the results and let me know what you guys think. It's hard. It hurts. It's embarrassing. Don't hold it in. Just let it out. Say no to public suppression of flatulation. Say no to suppression to public flatulation. So this was the mic plugged directly into the camera. It's hard. It hurts. It's embarrassing. Just let it out. Say no to suppression of public flatulation. This was the H5n test. It's hard. It hurts. It's embarrassing. Don't hold it in. Say no to public suppression of flatulation. This was an audio test. Let me know what else you guys want me to do with this camera. I've also done an exposure test and a dynamic range test, which I'll be releasing shortly. Be sure to subscribe to check those out. Thanks, guys. Thanks, dog! Yeah!